Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here, PhD scholar. I am going to present a topic, hepatitis. What is hepatitis? Do you have any idea? Hepatitis is a broad term that means inflammation of liver. It is most commonly caused by viruses but also be caused by drugs, for example, alcohol. Most liver damage is caused by three hepatitis virus called hepatitis A, B and C. Symptoms of hepatitis: yellowing skin and eyes, dark urine, light color stools, vomiting, loss of appetite, extreme fatigue. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel Botany with YouTube. You can see here logo of Botany channel. Types of hepatitis. There are 5 types of hepatitis which has been identified. Hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis D, hepatitis E. Hepatitis A is always an acute short-term disease, while hepatitis B, C, and D are most likely to become ongoing and chronic. Hepatitis E is usually acute but can be particularly dangerous in pregnant women. Hepatitis A virus, ABV, spread through contaminated food and water, anal or oral sex. Vaccine available to prevent hepatitis A. Full recovery, it does not lead to chronic disease. Hepatitis A virus is ribonucleic acid virus of the enterovirus family. Its incubation period is 3 to 5 weeks with an average of 28 days. Symptoms of hepatitis A: pain in right side of the abdomen, fever, jaundice, digestion problem, dark urine, feeling weak, vomiting, nausea. Symptoms of hepatitis A: there are many symptoms of hepatitis A: fatigue, fever, nausea, jaundice, weight loss, itching, sharp pain in right upper quadrant of abdomen. Prevention of hepatitis A: wash your hand with soap after going to toilet. Only consume food that has just been cooked. Only drink commercial bottled water or boiled water. Get a vaccine for hepatitis A. No specific treatment is available for hepatitis A. Hepatitis B virus, HBV. Hepatitis B virus can cause acute and chronic infection, spread through blood to blood contact, also transmitted through sex, unsterilized needle, toothbrush, razor. It is much more infectious than HIV. Mother milk vaccine available to prevent hepatitis B. Being bitten by someone who is infected by hepatitis B. Incubation period is 2 to 5 months. Occurrence in all ages but mostly affect young adults worldwide. Symptoms of hepatitis B. The symptoms of hepatitis B are abdominal pain, dark urine, fever, joint pain, loss of appetite, vomiting, fatigue, jaundice. Prevention from hepatitis B. Tell the partner if you are carrier or try to find out whether he or she is carrier. Practice safe sex. Only use clean syringes that have not been used by anyone else. Do not share your toothbrush, razor, or manicure instruments. A person who have hepatitis B series of shoot if you are at risk. Only allow well sterilized skin perforating equipments. Treatments for chronic hepatitis B may include antiviral medications. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our video with your other students, researcher and other colleagues. Hepatitis C, identified in 1989. Hepatitis C virus is an RNA virus. Blood tests become available in 1992. Used to known as non A, non B hepatitis, spread through blood to blood contact. Liver cancer risk is only increased in people with this type of disease. No vaccine available to prevent hepatitis C. Transmitted through unprotected sex and contaminated or unsterilized needles. It can result in both acute and chronic illness. Symptoms of hepatitis C: bleeding easily, fatigue, poor appetite, dark colored urine, jaundice, itching of skin. Prevention of hepatitis C. Hepatitis C is not preventable, but certain measures are taken to get relief from it. Treatment: hepatitis C is treated using direct acting antiviral tablets. Hepatitis D virus HDV. It is a defective single stranded RNA virus that cannot survive on its own. It requires hepatitis B to replicate. Incubation period is 2 to 26 weeks. Chronic carriers of HBV always at risk for transmission. Source of infection are same as HBV. Symptoms of hepatitis D: yellowing of skin and eyes, jaundice, stomach pain, stomach upset, throwing up, fatigue, not feeling hungry, joint pain, dark urine. Prevention to hepatitis D: use the same guideline as for hepatitis B. Only a person who is infected with hepatitis B can become infected with hepatitis D. Treatment: there is currently no treatment for hepatitis D. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our video, like our channel. If you have any question related to our topic, related to your course outline, you can ask us in comment section. We will reply as soon as possible. Hepatitis E: a person can become infected by drinking water that contain HEV. Infection is also possible through anal or oral sex. Its incubation period is 15 to 64 days. More common in adults and severe in pregnant women. Hepatitis E usually resolves on its own within 4 to 6 weeks. Treatment focuses on supportive care, rehydration, and rest. Symptoms of hepatitis E: fever, fatigue, loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, jaundice, dark urine. Prevention of hepatitis E: do the same as you should protect yourself from hepatitis A infection. Treatment: there is no specific antiviral therapy for acute hepatitis E. World Hepatitis Day take place every year on 28 July, bringing the world together under a single theme to raise awareness of global burden of viral hepatitis, to influence real changes. In 2021, the theme is Hepatitis Cannot Wait. On World Hepatitis Day, 28 July, we can call on people from across the world to take action and raise awareness of hepatitis and become hepatitis can't wait. Why WHD celebrate? WHD is a day for the world hepatitis community to unite and make our voices heard. It's a day to celebrate the progress we have made and to meet the current challenges. It's also an opportunity for us to increase awareness and encourage a real political changes to jointly facilitate prevention and diagnosis and treatment of hepatitis. WHD is a great opportunity for us to raise awareness of importance of knowing your hepatitis status and to spread the word about treatment. Thanks for your concentration. Thanks for your attention. And bundle of thanks to visit our channel. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.